Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Here with my daughter Sanaiya today, and we're gonna do a great giveaway. We're gonna be giving away an almost ready to fly FPV race wing here. Pull it up here so you guys can see what it is. Check it out. It's almost ready to fly race wing, and we're also gonna be including some peripherals, most of the peripherals, to get you flying. So I'm going to hand this thing over to Sanaiya, and she's going to tell you a little more about this thing and what it does.
This is from Sonic Model. It's carbon fiber fuselage, crash release structure, detachable wing halves, and an adjustable motor mount.
Cool, so this one's pretty neat. It comes with like all the servos. Maybe we'll just do a quick little unboxing of it in front of the camera here. Here's the wings, and the wings actually have servos already built in. It also comes with stickers that you can put on it yourself, but check it out. So there's the wing. It's got some ridges here, and there's also some separate ridges over here, which you just screw in, and they give you the screw-on hardware. You can see how there's slots for these stabilizer wings here. And check it out. So the wing actually just magnets to the sides of the main body. Servo mounts here we're going to plug in. See that there? So pretty neat. It's like a breakaway structure. It already has a motor included. So you see how that motor's already mounted on there? It's actually a BR2216 2000 kV clockwise motor. They already give you propellers. And then here's the other side of the magnet structures, which actually are gonna accept the wings themselves. So this looks like 2mm carbon fiber. This is where you're gonna mount the camera. Already has an ESC in here, 40 amp BEC ESC. So it's gonna be able to handle some power. I'm seeing a couple of crazy capacitors there on the ESC, so you're gonna get some great burst. This giveaway is not including a battery, a radio transmitter, or your FPV goggles, so you're gonna have to have those to get this thing running. But it's gonna include this craft and also some other things, so let me get those other things and show you. Oh, and by the way, there are some cool stickers on here. So they've got like these carbon fiber type of stickers. So you can put those on as you see fit. You know what I mean? If you want it to be a little more flashy, or of course do your own custom paint job. Okay, so as I was saying, we're not only giving away this ARF wing here, this race wing, carbon fiber race wing, but we're also giving you a few peripherals that you need to get started in racing. First of all, we're giving you a D4R FR Sky. See that guy there? So that's, you're gonna just plug directly into the ESC and all the servos. You don't even need a flight controller for a race wing like this. You could put in a flight controller if you want to, but these guys will just work on direct connection straight from the receiver into the ESC and all of the servos. So we're also including, check it out, a run cam. So this is a run cam Eagle 2 Pro. Check out that guy. So these are really good FPV cameras, great for racing, quads, wings, whatever. And then finally, we're also giving you guys eSheen 25 milliwatt to 600 milliwatt video transmitter. It's a 40 channel, and it can accept 7 to 28 volts. So here's the transmitter itself. Pretty cool. It's got actual buttons on it. It doesn't have any of those dip switches. You don't have to worry about that. It's got buttons to change your channels and also your power. So this is a 5.8 gigahertz system here. So really all you guys need to get this craft to run is, for one, a battery. So a LiPo, I think it takes 3 to 4S power on the battery, your own transmitter, and if you're using this FR Sky receiver we're including in the box here, you're gonna need an FR Sky protocol transmitter, and then of course you're gonna need some FPV goggles. A great setup if you're getting into winged FPV racing, or even if you're not into winged racing, you have a few peripherals here that you can put on your quadcopter, your racing quad, and get started in FPV quad racing, and just have this when you're ready to go. Sanaiya is now going to tell you guys how to enter this giveaway.
First, you have to like this video, then subscribe, and then leave a comment. Then, finally, visit the link below the description.
Right, so this is a giveaway for subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can be entered in this giveaway. Also like the video. Need to leave a comment so we won't know who's going to win unless you leave one comment in the description, and only one. And of course, the last thing you need to do is check out below the description and visit those links. This is coming from sponsors of our channel, and it will help us keep giving away things like this on our channel. Finally, I'm going to put this aside. We got our first fan mail. Sanaiya and I are going to open this up. And by the way, this is from Lui Amador of Torrance, California. I think he actually won in another giveaway, a sponsored giveaway. He won the Torrance X7S transmitter. Now what Lui does is he like recycles old things. Can you hold this for 1 sec? So Lui has this business where he does recycles old used products and kind of renews them and then does art on them. And as you can see, it's just a regular skateboard deck, like a skate park skateboard. And if you flip this thing over, check this out. Cool, huh? So he knows I'm a Star Wars fan, and he actually inscribed this. There's a stormtrooper here on the bottom, and then we've got Darth Vader here in the middle with his lightsaber there, and then on top we have Boba Fett. And Lui said this is his favorite character, Boba Fett. Thanks a lot, Lui. People can get more use out of something that maybe somebody else wouldn't want. So props to you, Lui, for doing that. And again, I'll have Lui stuff in the description. But anyway, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this giveaway. Don't forget, the main thing on this video is giving away all this awesome Racewing stuff. So don't forget to do all the things in the description, and Sanaiya and I will see you in the next review and giveaway, right? All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's carver release. It's from Sonic Modell. It's a, what's this again?
Can you sit somewhere else so you're not like staring at us? Thanks, honey.